Last week, we told you about a letter Clark County councilors sent to the governor, along with the state federal lawmakers, urging them to look into the alleged withholding of more than $71 million in CARES Act funding distributed to states. The state's Department of Commerce distributed nearly $300 million to local governments with fewer than 500,000 people. Clark County, which falls just under that line, received nearly $27 million. The governor's office points out that that was the largest distribution to any municipality, but Clark County Finance Director Mark Gassaway noted that Spokane County, with a population of just 35,000 people larger, received more than 3 times that in their funding. Clark County isn't alone in seeking answers, and the state's congressional delegation intends to get clarification from the federal government soon.